agora, voices blend, people gather, messages send. New assembly takes the stage, writing history's next page. From the hills to city squares, every voice that boldly dares to speak of rights and equal say in the assembly's light of day. Tribes unite beneath the sun, different voices yet as one. Legislation, justice true, balancing the old and new. People's voices strong and clear, shaping laws that all revere. Senate whispers to the crowd, Republic stands so proud. In the assembly's grand embrace, every heart finds its place. From the many, one is born, guiding Rome from dusk till dawn. Legislation in their hands, writing rules across the lands. Decisions made with careful thought, lessons learned and battles fought. From the Senate's noble halls to the Assembly's bustling calls, a balance forged in unity for the Republic's legacy. Yet in times of war and peace, power shifts and tensions lease. Councils rise and fall like tides in the Republic's strides. People's voices strong and clear, shaping laws that all revere. Senate whispers to the crowd, Republic stands so proud. In the assembly's grand embrace, every heart finds its place. From the many, one is born, guiding Rome from dusk till dawn. In the assembly's sacred space, every citizen finds grace, voting for their chosen few, leaders that reflect the view. From the tribunes to the floor, every voice is heard once more, a testament to Rome's bright flame, unity within the name. People's voices strong and clear, shaping laws that all revere. Senate whispers to the crowd, Republic stands so proud. From the many, one is born, guiding Rome from dusk till dawn. From the people, power flows, guiding Rome as it grows. A system built on unity in eternal harmony.
In the Senate's hallowed halls, lawmakers heed the ancient calls. Scripts are written, laws are made, in copper plates the rules are laid. Echoes of the past align, Hammurabi's grand design. Yet Rome carves its own decree, a legal path for all to see. From the scrolls of old they rise, guardians under Roman skies, a foundation strong and clear, setting standards far and near. 12 bronze tablets etched in time, guarding justice, reason, rhyme. From the scrolls of old they rise, Rome's first codex under skies, law in stone, a steadfast guide, ensuring Rome's enduring pride. From the Senate's learned hands, law extends across the lands. Rights defined in every line, order found within the sign. From the Senate's learned hands, law extends across the lands. Procedures set with careful thought, justice served as it was taught. In the copper's steadfast gleam, laws become the people's dream. Influence from afar, guiding like a distant star. Civilized and structured flow, Rome's legacy begins to grow. 12 bronze tablets in time, guarding justice, reason, rhyme. From the scrolls of old they rise, Rome's first codex under skies, law in stone, a steadfast guide, ensuring Rome's enduring pride. From the Senate's learned hands, law extends across the lands. Yet in the light of modern day, some laws have lost their righteous way, but the foundation remains strong, guiding right from what is wrong. From the Senate's written law to the people's legal core, a testament to Rome's bright flame. In every law they speak the same. 12 bronze tablets etched in time, guarding justice, reason, rhyme. From the scrolls of old they rise, Rome's first codex under skies, law in stone, a steadfast guide, ensuring Rome's enduring pride. From the Senate's learned hands, law extends across the lands. In the light of the law's embrace, Rome secures its honored place. 12 tablets stand as testament to our republic's firm intent.
Where eagles soar, Rome's legions march to distant war. Etruscan shadows loom and fight underneath the battle's night. Steel meets steel in crimson glow, ancient echoes start to grow. Legions clash with fierce desire, Rome's ambition fuels the fire. From the hills to distant shores, Rome's resolve forever soars. Internal strife and family ties, betrayals under crimson skies. And blood on ancient ground, echoes of the war drum sound. Legions clash with fierce desire, Rome's ambition fuels the fire. Battles rage beneath the sun, wars within and wars begun. Rome stands strong through every fight, guided by the Republic's light. From the Senate's silent halls to the battlefield's loud calls, consuls lead with iron hand, protecting Rome's vast storied land. Betrayal cuts with dagger's edge, warriors pledge their sacred pledge. In the midst of war's embrace, Rome seeks honor in the race. Brothers fall beneath the spear, echoes of the dictator's fear. Wars within and wars without, Rome's resolve through doubt. Steel and blood on ancient ground, echoes of the war drum sound. Legions clash with fierce desire, Rome's ambition fuels the fire. Battles rage beneath the sun, wars within and wars begun. Rome stands strong through every fight, guided by the Republic's light. chaos strength is found, Rome's legacy renowned. From the ashes rise anew, legions strong and virtues true. Through the turmoil and the pain, Rome endures through loss and gain. A republic forged in blood and steel, a testament to Rome's great seal. Steel and blood on ancient ground, echoes of the war drum sound. Legions clash with fierce desire, Rome's ambition fuels the fire. Battles rage beneath the sun, wars within and wars begun. Rome stands strong through every fight, guided by the Republic's light. As the smoke begins to clear, Rome stands tall, the path sincere. From the ashes strength is born, Republic reborn. On the shores where waters gleam, Rome advances a mighty stream, conquering lands with iron will, each victory a testament of skill. Legions march with banners high, underneath the crimson sky. From the north to southern shores, Rome's ambition soars and roars. Carthaginian shadows cast echoes of a fearsome past. Legions driven by their might, guided by the Republic's light. Peninsula under Rome's command, every inch across the sand. Blood and sweat in every fight, Rome ascends to greater heights. Cities fall and empires bend, Rome's resolve will never end. From the north to southern shores, Rome's legacy forever soars. In the valleys, on the plains, Rome's ambition breaks the chains. Every town and every town, Rome's influence begins to crown. Through the battles, through the strife, legions fight to shape their life. From the Senate's guiding hand, Rome extends across the land. Cities crumble, empires fade, Rome's resolve will never jade. Conquering with skill and might, Rome shines in the darkest night. Peninsula under Rome's command, every inch across the sand. Blood and sweat in every fight, Rome ascends to greater heights. Cities fall and empires bend, Rome's resolve will never end. From the north to southern shores, Rome's legacy forever soars. Honored seat to the emperor's commanding beat, history turns its endless page. Rome steps forward, sets the stage. Unity in every stride, Rome's ambition as their guide. Legions strong and spirits high, underneath the vast sky. Peninsula under Rome's command, every inch across the sand. Blood and sweat in every fight, Rome ascends to greater heights. Cities fall and empires bend, Rome's resolve will never end. From the north to southern shores, Rome's legacy forever soars. As the sun sets on the land, Rome stands strong, a mighty brand. Unified beneath one rule, a republic strong, a nation's jewel.
rise, Rome now gazes at the skies. Empire's dawn begins to break, shadows lengthen, foundations shake. Legions march with banners high underneath the twilight sky. Conquering lands both near and far, guided by the Republic's star. From the Senate's ancient halls to the Emperor's grand calls, Rome transforms with each new day, Empire's power on display. Dawning of the Empire's reign, echoes of the Republic's gain. Power shifts in twilight's gleam, Rome awakens from its dream. From the Senate's guiding hand to the Emperor's command, Rome's legacy extends, a tale that never ends. Carthage falls beneath their might, Rome ascends in the fading light. From the hills to distant shores, Empire's influence implores. Cities flourish, empires blend, Rome's ambition knows no end. From the Senate's learned decree, Empire rises for all to see. With each conquest, Rome expands, building empires across the lands. From the north to southern seas, Rome's dominance will never cease. Dawning of the Empire's reign, echoes of the Republic's gain. Power shifts in twilight's gleam, Rome awakens from its dream. From the Senate's guiding hand to the Emperor's command, Rome's legacy extends, a tale that never ends. In the heart of Rome's embrace, a new era takes its place. From the north to southern seas, Rome's dominance will never cease. Creation, legions strong and leaders wise, guiding Rome to new sunrise. From the Senate's ancient law, Empire rises to explore. Dawning of the Empire's reign, echoes of the Republic's gain. Power shift in twilight's gleam, Rome awakens from its dream. From the Senate's guiding hand to the Emperor's command, Rome's legacy extends, a tale that never ends. As the stars align above, Rome's legacy of strength and love. Empire stands where Republic fell, a timeless story to retell.